What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Varun Gupta and this is It's Everything Men. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as fitness, fashion, style, grooming, and overall men's personality development. I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you find the video any informative. There's certain things which I have done in these 4 to 5 years that make me feel good on everyday basis, and it doesn't require much money at all. This video is also going to be on one of the perfume clones from Project Alternative line, and I'm going to talk about one of the best perfumes in the game that works all year round, be it summers, spring, winters, autumn, any season. So what is this a clone of? It's a clone, or rather an inspired version of Acqua di Gio Profumo. It's a flanker from Acqua di Gio line. There's Acqua di Gio Essenziale, there's basic Acqua di Gio EDT, and then there's this third flanker from the same line which is called Acqua di Gio Profumo, and this is one of the most hyped products in the industry as well. So I'm going to talk about this and how is this similar to this. I am not very good at identifying the notes, but I can, or for that matter anybody can tell if a perfume smells similar. Okay, so Acqua di Gio Profumo, the original, I have a 10 ml sample of it and I have tried it a few times. So this lasts 4 to 5 hours on my skin, which is okay for a summer fragrance, and I have dry skin, so I'm not complaining about that. What I am telling you guys is this is a beast mode when applied on clothes, and of course it performs the best during spring and winter seasons. Not too harsh winters though, the medium spring to winter season it performs the best, and this is very similar to this. I'm going to tell you why. So this has the same DNA and it performs the same as well. The only difference I would say is in terms of projection, because I applied this on the right hand and this on the left hand. Both perform 4 to 5 hours only. There's not much of a difference, okay, during summer heat on my skin. But when I applied these alternatively on clothes, like 5 sprays of this on clothes and 5 sprays of this on clothes, I would say that this obviously performs a little bit better, because an OG is going to be an OG, but very little bit. And there's another difference as well in terms of projection. This performs and projects a little bit better, just a little bit. But in price, this 100 ml for a 125 ml, or let's say we'll calculate the 100 ml price, a tester bottle, even the tester bottle will cost you around 5,000 or 5,500 for 100 ml. Whereas this 50 ml, or let's say if we count the value of 100 ml, this costs you around 1500 rupees. This has more power, being the OG. This is a little bit lighter version of the original, and right off the bat you will get that Acqua Essenziale DNA. This is a little bit more aquatic version of this as well. I can smell the patchouli and incense in the OG a little bit more than this, which is making it more dark and more masculine. This I would say is much more closer to Acqua Essenziale, because it is more citrusy and aquatic rather than being more on the dark side, which this is. You can sample this one and try. I got this 50 ml bottle during sale for 750 rupees. This is like more summery kind of a fragrance. This won't last long in during harsh winters, whereas this has those dark elements which will make it more winter friendly as well. So I would say it is an 80 to 85% closer to the original, and for the price you're paying you cannot complain, man. That is what I like about these fragrances and some of the alternative lines. So coming to the conclusion, this projects better, yes. This lasts very little bit longer, yes. Maybe half an hour difference, half an hour to 1 hour on skin, and on clothes I can still smell it. I applied this yesterday, and on clothes this goes away within 12 hours. So what my personal suggestion is going to be is, if you want that perfect Acqua di Gio Profumo DNA and you want to get compliments, then this is something you should invest on. Yeah, definitely. But for 750 rupees you cannot go wrong. This is a blind buy for 750 rupees. If you can score it, then go for it. Do not sleep on it, man. This is a good one. And for a summer fragrance, for it to last for 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, it's definitely good, because most of the summer fragrance in Delhi heat do not last even 2 to 3 hours. I'm also gonna give you one more suggestion about Project Alternative line, which is that to refrain from buying the MI square versions of it. Like there's an Alexa 666 MI square version. Do not buy that. It's a hell lot of different than the original. Original is mad good if you can score that black bottle of Alexa 666. Similarly, Barong of Bali MI square, not at all good. Smells lemony and oudi and smells bad to my nose. While the original is very smoky, badhiya sa tha bhai combination. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.